Right, hi guys, this is Emily and Caitlin's encampment in the front room. How are you, Caitlin?
Hello. This is our find. $5.99. Easy build, bed, finished chairs, and a side chair.
Would you like to say something, Emily?
Well, this tent is fabulous. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah.
Well, as you can see, the inside supplies.
What are you two going on about?
This is for the 3 to 6 aged, and this is for the more older ones.
For those of you who are wondering what is going on, Caitlin and Emily have built a massive construction in the front room with their airbeds and cushions and
Excuse me.
things and
Yeah, excuse me.
Yeah, as you can see, it has storage, a curtain, and also a storage down there.
What about a little dance, Emily? Just to
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Woo!
Happy feet, so happy feet, da 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 da.
wave goodbye then.
Bye.
Say hello to everybody.
Goodbye from BBC News.
Let me say goodbye.
Oh!
Goodbye.
Nip, 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 nip.
Goodbye. And thank you for the lovely news. Thank you, little egg.
Put that on the
Yeah. Yeah, da, da.